Hello dear students and welcome back to our next video. In today's video we are discussing the next part of KMU CAT test. So let's begin to the test. The first MCQ is release of energy from sun is due to, so B is the correct option, nuclear fusion. The next MCQ is body is released from top of tower of height 80 meters. The time take to reach the earth is, so the correct option is D, 4 seconds. The next MCQ is a terminal which is not connected with uh, with, gra- with ground, but its potential is assumed zero is called a ideal ground. So the correct option is B, virtual ground. The next MCQ is which of the following law explains the dependence of EMF established in a coil and the change in magnetic flux. So the correct option is B, Faraday's law. The next MCQ is as an empty vessel is filled with water, its frequency. So the correct option is C, decreases. The next MCQ is the ratio of speed of sound and neon to neon to water vapors at the same temperature is nearest to. So the correct option is A, unity. The next MCQ is a ball is tied to a string as um, a string is a vertical circle. Which of the following remains constant? So the correct option is C. Earth's pull on the ball. The next MCQ is I'm hoping to hear this soon. Some news. This is the correct option. The next MCQ is what is the meaning of amnesia? Loss of memory. The correct option is A. Loss of memory. The next MCQ is Burnett having black hair, having dark hair. So the correct option is B. Having dark hair. The next MCQ is a claustrophobia person as one who A is the correct option. Fears of closed spaces. The next MCQ is which one of the following as a synonym of oxymoron. So the correct option is A, paradox. The next MCQ is education as inalienable right of every child. The underlying word means primary. B is the correct option. The next MCQ is Malpighian tubules convert nitrogenous waste into, so the correct option is C, uric acid. The next MCQ is animal of phylum Porifera are characterized by um, ungulation. So the correct option is C. C is the correct option. Okay, the next MCQ is the most appropriate, sorry, animal of phylum Porifera is characterized by, so the correct option is C. The next MCQ is the most appropriate terms to describe the life cycle of Opia is budding. So the correct option is C, metagenesis. The next MCQ is intrinsic factors stimulates the absorption of vitamin B12. So B is the correct option. The next MCQ is electrical impulses is heard originated from the, so A is the correct option. Sinoarterial nodes. The next MCQ is the internal of pacemaker signals from SA nodes to AV node is, so B is the correct option, 0.1 second. The next MCQ is the cell-mediated immune system consists of T cells originate in the bone marrow but moves to the dash when their development is completed. So the correct option is C, thymus. The next MCQ is vaccine against diphtheria and tetanus are is the correct option. The next MCQ is if 19 ml of O2 is carried by 100 ml of blood, then blood is how much saturated? So the correct option is C, 97% saturated. The next MCQ is all of the following is true for muscles contraction except, so the correct option is tone reduced. D is the correct option. The next MCQ is Habergean canal system is a correct feature of, the correct option is C, bone. The next MCQ is after transmission of impulse conduction through synapse, neurotransmitter adrenaline is hydrolyzed by, the correct option is C. The next MCQ is reducing potential of a nerve is the correct option. Sorry, B is the correct option. And the last MCQ is the cell of the testes which produce testosterone are, so the correct option is B. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDK MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.